Ain't nobody tryna help me. I just gotta do it all by myself. Ain't nobody's tryna listen. I just gotta face it. You don't know the struggle I've been in. You don't know how long it's been. How far it brought me. Why you wanna go straight and talk about me when you don't know my story? I guess I'm used to it. Since I was a kid, I've been going through the same. I've been going through the same struggle. Ain't nobody tryna look my way. I guess nobody wanna see my dark side, so I just gotta keep my bright face on. People say never judge a book by its cover. Why you tryna judge me when you don't even know me? Try to love me, try to know a bit about me, then you can take your actions. People come and go, people come and go. When you make it, they gon' claim they helped you. People come and go, people come and go. No one to trust. I just gotta keep my trust in the Most High, cause he been there since day one. I thank the man above, for he keeps on watching on me. Even if I fail him, he never left, never left. Nobody to trust, nobody to trust, no more. Nobody to trust, nobody to trust. Only you, dear Lord. Just gotta keep your bright face on, cause nobody wanna see your dark side. Just gotta keep your bright face on, cause nobody wanna see your dark side. Keep on moving, no matter your struggle. Your tomorrow gonna be greater. Keep on moving, no matter your struggle. Your tomorrow will be greater. Hate me, you ain't gonna stop me. Hate me, I keep on moving. Hate me, I'm used to the haters. Hate me, the man above got me. Hate me, I keep on moving. Yes, I keep on moving. Keep the bright face on now. Yes, gotta keep the bright face on now. Nobody to trust, nobody to trust, no more. Nobody to trust, only you, only you.